I was messing with one of my tail lights, and we're going to show you where we're at with that. We'll probably do it with the other one, but I'd like to kind of put both on the car, and then you guys can see the difference. So let's go seal up this other tail light. Alright, so time to tell you what my late night project was the other night. And if anybody has a corner light, or a lens, I'm gonna need that, because your boy kind of messed up. So if you got one of those, let me know. But let me show you where we're at. So we kind of cleaned up the tail lights. You can see that looks relatively kind of black, looks kind of new. This one looks like shit. So I end up taking out the light diffusers on this light. We're gonna put them back in and kind of see the comparison of both of them. So I don't want to put the passenger side light in just now because I'm going to have to pull it out. But you guys can kind of see the difference in sans diffusers and diffusers. So really like the look on the driver's side. Super stoked about it. So I think we'll be good. We'll go, and I'll go show you guys how to do this upstairs. Alright, so kind of step one of this project is go heat your oven to 250. While we do that, we come over to our lights, flip them over. We're gonna pull out well, first I'm gonna take a picture. We're gonna pull out all of these lights. Move, Tommy. So pull out all the lights, and we'll get it ready to bake. So all these bad boys come out. Now their oven's nice and preheated. Take this bad boy, open the oven, and we're going to drop her in. Drop her in like that. Set the timer for 3 minutes, come back, pull them out, and you can pull the headlights apart. So now we wait.
Several bad puns later.
Alright, now that we have our light out, we're going to start slowly peeling along these tabs with a screwdriver. Forgot to tell you to take these screws out. You're going to want to do that or you're going to have a bad time. Alright, now let's try this again. Let's see if we can pop these out. Ooh. Ow, that's my fingy. this didn't loosen up all the way. We're gonna throw it back into the oven for a couple more minutes and hopefully this will be loose. Try this again. Break that part of the tail light, I think. Alright, now we have our lens off. Here's our diffuser boy. We're just gonna pop him out like that. And you're done. So, still gotta do this, but you get the gist of how to do this. So while my housings were back in the oven, kind of letting the sealant get gooey again, gave the lenses a quick little wipe down, and they're good to throw back on. So once it's out, we'll put it back together, and then we're good. So now, put the lenses back in, press it all together. You're gonna put your screws in, and that'll be done. Oh, damn it, I got that on my shirt. Perfectly modified taillight. Alright, we're done. What's up, y'all? It's a nice, bright, sunny day in South Carolina, and we'll assess the car. So, showed you guys how to take headlights apart and kind of do a nice little mod to them. That's free. So, got those back on the car. They look pretty dope. Bam! So, yeah, these things look way better. So much better than they were with the little, what do you call that thing? The diffuser in there, the light diffuser. So super pumped, very excited. Makes the whole car just look a wee bit more modern. So we got that done. Definitely suggest if you guys have some S5 taillights and you don't really care about them and you could possibly break them and you're not worried about that, I would go ahead and do this mod. This one, however, is not really wanting to stay in, so I need to pull that light back out and better, maybe little clip part isn't grabbing, but it kind of didn't do that before, so I'll fix that somehow. But yeah, we'll fix that. So if you do have a set of S5 taillights and you want to modernize them a little bit, spend zero money doing so, you should do this. Pretty rad, pretty easy. Took me about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes-ish to do both. So pretty stoked about that. And I think they look pretty rad. So that's another thing off our list before racing. So John and I loosely fitted my dash. It's kind of sucked, kind of a challenge, but we had to cut a lot of stuff. We cut most of the metal frame out, so the only metal frame is around the trans tunnel. So like right now it's only bolted in on the trans tunnel. It's all like kind of loosey-goosey. Nice. So it's all kind of loosey-goosey. We got to figure out how to like mount it over here. I don't know if that's just using some zip ties or whatnot, but I definitely gotta figure out a way to hold it down, kind of keep it better, because this thing's gonna rattle to all hell. So maybe I just build a bracket off of the dash or something, like maybe down here and tied to like the cage or back there. I don't really know, but yeah, we kind of got the dash in, and the seat is roughly in two. I need to drill the floor and actually mount the seat, but it's just kind of chilling in there for now. I wanted to show you guys our dope little carbon boys. So pretty stoked about these things. They look nice. They'll help kind of protect the cage a good bit. We've already got some scuffs on them from putting the seat in, so you know that's how they work. And yeah, pretty pumped. So that's about it for this video. In the next video, we got a giant box from Summit Racing that is hopefully going to replace this 30-pound mess of wires that we ripped out of the car. So this is the ECU and the chassis harness. We don't need that anymore. So hopefully what I bought from Summit will fix this. We'll talk about that in a later video. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you are going to try the Taillight mod. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you break your lenses. Not responsible for that, so don't break your lenses. But if you do, I kind of want to hear from you and how you did it. But yeah, that's about it for this video, and we're getting there. Super stoked to have this thing looking like a car again. So again, stay tuned. Let me know your thoughts on the taillights. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully we'll have this thing racing and looking like a car again and being a car again. That'd be super rad. But in the meantime, we fix stuff and we try to build the best FC that we can build with the money that we have and the skills that we have, which is not a lot on both of them. But we're gonna try to make it work. So catch you guys later. Bye, y'all.